Hello and welcome to Swarmly booth at DEFEA 2025. Just a quick update on our progress since your story. So there are a few products that we added to our lineup. One is the Nemesis, which is a C4ISR system that combines different effectors and sensors into the common network. It's actually free and comes with all our products by default. It's based on the standard ATAC framework, which makes it compatible with any NATO standard systems. Another interesting development is the fiber optic based FPV system, which has been developed in cooperation with the Bulgarian state enterprise Terem. So it combines the thermobaric, anti-tank, and anti-personnel warhead with the jam-proof system to allow video and controls. It's widely used in a conflict in Ukraine, and it's extremely successful. So we added the similar system to our lineup and started to manufacture these in Cyprus and in our joint venture in India as well. So these are the main updates that we have. Another one, but this is kind of an incremental upgrade, is we attached the X-22 RS loitering munition to our H-12 heavy lift platform, which allows operators to attack well-protected targets at distances up to 160 kilometers. So that's it. Thank you very much. Really appreciate it. And welcome again.